guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Runa. Happy Foundation Friday. If you're new to my channel, I upload a new video every Friday talking about foundation. Today I am actually going to be talking about a mixed foundation cocktail. I like to do these cocktail videos sometimes because I don't know if it's you or me. I love to experiment and mix foundations together and test them out. So today we're going to test out the Born This Way matte foundation, and we're going to test out the Born This Way regular foundation. We're going to mix them and see how it goes. So the reason why I want to test this one out, because this one was like a little too matte for me, a little too drying for me. If you guys saw my review on this, if you have not seen my review on it, it'll be linked down below, but this is a little too drying for me. And I feel like the color was a little off, and this is perfect for me. I love this, but sometimes it's a little too dewy, it's a little too glowy. So I was like, I wonder if I could mix the both and see, and do like a little experiment and see how I like it. I'm thinking that it's gonna be good, and it's gonna be cool, and it's gonna be amazing. You don't have to do this together. If you were to do this, it would be $80, but maybe you have a really matte foundation, and maybe you have this foundation and you can mix it. Or mixing foundations today, period. So I'm thinking maybe 2 pumps of the matte. Okay. And I'm thinking 1 pump of the regular. And now I'm just going to mix that. So we're just gonna go ahead and mix this. Okay, and let's see how this goes. It does not have a really dark color. It's a little dark for me, right? Look, I don't even know my color anymore. I've been home so much because of quarantine. I can't even tell you guys what color I am anymore in foundation. I thought I'm an NC42, but apparently NC42 is too dark for me sometimes nowadays. But I'm going to keep wearing NC42 because I'm going to start getting some sun, because I like sun. Look at how beautifully foundation... Oh, I like this combo, you guys. Look at how beautifully foundation goes on top of this perfecting primer. So good. Look at that foundation though. I like it. I like the mix. Ooh. I like the mix. It's actually a really nice mix. I mean, ideally, I probably wouldn't do this because, I mean, that would be like an $80 foundation then. If I bought like both bottles, realistically, might as well buy a designer foundation. But honestly, designer foundation isn't even all that sometimes. I have yet to find one that's, I'm like, oh my gosh, this designer $80 foundation is like something I need. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me to try out the NARS Soft Matte Foundation and the Rare Beauty Foundation. I've ordered everything. Nothing has came in the mail yet, which is kind of weird. I don't know. I didn't have any problems with delivery, like with any other brand except for Sephora. Like all my Ulta boxes come quick. But I don't know what's going on with my Sephora boxes. I wish Rare Beauty would have just launched on Ulta so I could have just bought it from Ulta. I mean, I love Sephora, you guys, but if they're not delivering my boxes fast enough, what am I supposed to do? Okay. That looks really good. It has a very nice, tone. I do feel like it's not thick enough because look, you guys can still see a lot of my discoloration on the bottom. Like it looks a little ashy. So I feel like with this Too Faced foundation, I always have to go in with like color correcting to get like that flawless look. Some foundations I don't have to do that, but with this foundation, I do. I definitely feel like 3 pumps of foundation was a lot, but I always do a lot to experiment, and I end up like taking a lot of it off anyways because I'll go in with like a sponge. And take the excess off. And just press the product into my skin. So for concealer today, I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Concealer. I love this concealer, you guys. It's one of my favorites. If you have dry under eyes, this Fenty concealer is perfect for you. And I still put a lot of concealer because I like it. I don't know. I know a lot of people like rag on you if you put on so much concealer, but I really love putting on concealer. It just makes me happy. I feel like we need to all stop judging everybody for how much makeup somebody wears. Let people live their lives. So guys, this sponge is from Juno & Co. It's a microfiber velvet sponge, and I actually like it. Okay guys, so this is the Finish foundation. I actually like it. It made the actual matte foundation like a soft matte, and I'm here for it because it looks like I still have really nice skin. It's like really like skin-like coverage, and I really like it. It looks really, really nice. I'm here for it. I'm gonna go ahead and wear this foundation the whole day actually, and then I'll test out the wear of it. Like, how does this mix work? Does it perform well? Does it not? So far, I really like it. So far, it's like a jam. Okay, guys, so it's officially the end of the night, and it's time for me to take off my makeup. As you can see, this combination literally did not budge. Like, I didn't have to touch up at all today. I didn't have to do any of that. I did set my face. I always set my face with mostly every foundation, but not all foundations perform the same, even with setting powder. I didn't have to touch up myself at all today. It's actually really, really nice. And as you can see, I thought it was gonna like clunk up, but it didn't. I think this is great. I think it was an amazing combo, and I really, really like it. A little up close so you guys can really see my skin. And look, no, it looks really, really good. So, it's the end of the night, and I've had this foundation on literally all day. It's time to wipe it off. So if you guys want to see more foundation videos, this was a fun one where I did a cocktail of foundation and tested it out because, I mean, why not? I know you guys all think about mixing foundations, or you guys all already do it. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you guys. Bye.